Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're on Factory Simulator again, and this is the tier 5 farm I have created. It fits, like this is the whole farm, like you can't fit 5 on, or 5 or 6 on one floor. It's one for every floor. This right here gives you 96 tillion every time this hits, or like hits the sell point. So as you can see, when it goes in, 96 tillion. And basically, if we can go down to the triple assembler, it is the tri-metal reactor. And to get the tri-metal reactor, we're gonna go all the way to the corner and go all the way through, because I do not feel like actually building this. So I'm just gonna go through step by step on how it is. So I would say first, go to inventory and then hold your clear factory. So everything is cleared and you have a clear, like area to build. Because I literally had to do this multiple times, and after seeing that this wasn't gonna fit anywhere, I just cleared my whole entire floor, or my whole factory to do this. So first things first, you're gonna need the osmium, the weird ore, and the shum. It's called shum. It's like something called what is it? It's shumite. So you want the shumite mine, the osmium, and the weird ore. Then you want the ore crusher, the uh the furnace, which for this it is called the induction smelter. And then you want the triple smelter, which that would be called yeah, I forget what these are all called. Triple alloy smelter. Then once you go through that, you can change this up. You can have an extruder and an assembler. Over here I have the press and gear press, and then the assembler. Oh my god, that's a lot of gears. And then we come over here. You basically need to copy this, what we have here, onto this side, and then this will change. So I just basically have this going into a two-way dropper, so split a splitter container. That's what I have here, so it'll split between this other corner of the farm, and I'll show that later. But on this side it's the extruder, then the assembler, and this will all line up to the triple assembler. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the triple assembler, the T5 triple assembler. Then we gotta come back over here because we have the preferred, or yeah, I don't know how to say it, preferred wood, and then you need the cutter and the press. That's how you get this hardened version of it. Then you need the osmium ore, ore crushers, the furnace. You need the press, and then the assembler. Then you need a dual assembler in this area here, just to get this, which I forget what this is called. And back over here, you know how we split this up. You want to use the press, and then you want to get the energy gem. So back down over here, you need the energy crystal, you need the laser cutter, and then the what is this called? The energy concentrator. And then it'll become the concentrated, or yeah, concentrated energy gem. And then you need a dual assembler to mash these all up. Then you need another dual assembler to match this, and what you get from here up. And then it turns into the last ingredient that you need. This can come back to the triple the triple assembler, and then you get the 96 tillion. I really hope that this does help. It's really confusing, and I really don't want to build it because this takes like 10 or 15 minutes to build. It took me so long to build them both, and they're so helpful. But of course, this is getting me money now because it gives 17 septil or 25 septillion and 30 septillion. So, and now I got 7 octillion. And basically, I have everything copied on the other side, or up above. And basically, same thing's going down on here. Anyway, I do hope that this farm helps anyone that is trying to be the richest person in your friend group that is playing this game. And pretty much that's it. That's all I got for tier 5. Like, if you really want to, if you can't, actually do all this stuff, all you really need is to create this farm and then get, then get the sell plate here. You'll get you'll get money. You'll get a good bit of money, and then you can, do all this. You really don't need to do the triple assembler until when you can buy it and then get everything else too. So yeah, that ends this how to tutorial, I guess. Hope you guys do enjoy. Please subscribe. We're as of right now only 24 subscribers away to 100. So yeah, see it. I'll see everyone. Goodbye.